right, good morning. 3 on Friday the 20th of March. Friday 20th of March. So we're going to continue with some work today. It is the last day of term, but we are keeping going. And first thing I want you to do is to have a look at the following. I want you to have a go at these following questions. I want you to have a go at not all of them, but this one. And I want you to have a go at this one. So make this one number 2. And I want you to have a go at this one. All right, and have a go at number sequences first. I'm going to pause the video and I want you to input your answers. Okay, now I want you to have a go at the circle. I'm going to pause. I want you to input your answer. And now I have a go at number 3. Find all the factors of 48. And I'm going to pause. All right, so how did we get on? Okay, so I don't mind if you had to use your books, that's absolutely fine, or a calculator. And what I'll do is I'll have a look at your answers, but just to quickly go through it. The 6th odd number, so let's see, so the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Have we reached the 6th one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 11. The square numbers. So remember, the square numbers are 1 because of 1 times 1. The next one is 4 because of 2 times 2. The next one is 9 because of 3 times 3. Hopefully we're seeing the pattern. 16, 25, 36 is the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because it's 6 times 6. And our prime numbers, remember, the first prime number is not 1, it is 2. Second one is 3, 5, 7, 8. No, it is not 1 because it can be divided by 4. Remember, your prime numbers can only be divided by themselves and 1. So 8 can't be 1 because it can be divided by 4 and 2. So the next one is not 9 either because it can be divided by 3. Not 10 because it can be divided by 5. 11 is definitely 1. 12 isn't because it can be divided by 6. And 13 is good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are our answers. Did you get them? I will be able to check. All right, question 2. Name the red part. Okay, if you can remember, it begins with D. I. Diameter. And question 3. Now the factors of 48. So to give you a clue, the factors are the numbers that multiply to give 48. So what numbers, we need all of them, multiply to give 48. So I'll give you one of them. 1 does. But remember, they're common pairs, so 1 times what is 48? And there will be quite a few of them, and I'm going to stop the video again to give you another chance to have a go at it. All right, and let me know if you got that. I'll be able to see anyway. All right, good. So actually, let's just quickly do the answers. So we've got 1 on 48. 1 times 48 is 48. 2 times 24. Does 3 go into 48? It does. 3 goes into 48 16 times. 4? Yep, it goes in 12 times. To 6? Yes, it goes in 8 times. And 7 doesn't go in, so those are our factors of 48. Okay, good. So moving on, we're going to have a look at, we're going to continue with our finding the gradient between 2 points. So let me just change my pen. So we started this last time. Make sure you watch these videos, okay, and especially the ones from this week, because it will help finding the gradient between 2 points. So remember, we'll do a question. Find the gradient between points, let's say A, which is 1, 6, and B, which is 2, -4. So we said yesterday we have to use our formula. So our formula, you don't need to remember it, but our formula for gradient is vertical over horizontal. But if we're given points, we have to use this one, y2, take away y1, that gives us our vertical bit, over x2, take away x1. So our next step is to label our points. So the first one is going to be, this first number in our coordinate is going to be, I'm going to stop, I want you to have a go and answer it. Okay, did you get it? It is x1. The second coordinate is going to be y1. Over here on this point, our first coordinate is going to be x2, and the second point is going to be y2. So we're going to put our numbers into our formula. I want you to type into the box what you think that is. Okay, let's see if we got it. So y2, so -4, that's y2, take away y1, y1 is 6, divided by x2 is 2, take away, because that's what the formula is, so x2 is 2, take away x1, which is 1. And I can put this into my calculator, and I'm going to put it in. I've got -4, take away 6, so that gives me -10 on the top. On the bottom, 2 take away 1, I don't need to use the calculator for that. So -10 divided by 1 is -10, and that is our gradient. And remember, that tells us that the line is sloping upwards or downwards. Have an answer? Okay, yes, it is sloping downwards, because remember, negative gradient means the line slopes downwards. Okay, good. What I want you to do is, we're going to have a look at the following worksheet, which I have put right, I think, here. Okay, and I'm going to upload this. Okay, I'm going to do the first. Well, actually, I want you to have a go at the first question. Copy, and I'll paste it in here. So find the slope using points. Okay, so find the slope. Remember, the slope is just the same as the gradient. So I will start you off. Okay, your first step is gradient or slope equals y2 take away y1 over x2 take away x1. Okay, your next thing is to label your points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, what I want you to do is to put them in, see if you can figure out what the gradient is for me. Okay, and click on what the answer is, or type it into the box. Okay, let's see if you got it right. So gradient is equal to y2, which is 4. We're taking away y1. y1 is 2, divided by x2. x2 is -5. And we're taking away x1, which is 2. And if you want, you can use your calculator. Well, 4 take away 2 is 2. We don't need a calculator for that. -5 take away 2. -7. So our answer is -2 over 7. Or if you wrote it as a decimal, it would be Negative 2 divided by 7, 0.29. Negative 0.29. Okay, so I will be able to check and see how you got on with that. What I would like you to do is to work through, work through this sheet, okay? See how many you can get done in the time for the lesson, and I would like you to take a picture of what you've done and upload it or post it so I can see how you get on, okay? But remember, use the formula, label the points, input them, use your calculator to help you out at the end, okay? So this is the first one done for you, okay? Give me a shout, please, if you get stuck or if you're not sure what to do, okay? And I will try and help. I hope you're all getting on well, and I hope you all have a good break next week, okay? See you later. Goodbye.